Hello again, coffee with Call, instant coffee with Call. It's back to this Nescafe Gold, of course, which I'm using at the moment. I might upgrade again to Nescafe Gold next week, because I'll need more coffee next week. It's getting low there. Today's subject: sauna, or sauna in English. A bit of maple syrup. Yeah, sauna. I'm going to build my own sauna hut. With little stove that I've got. Little camping stove, like a tent camping stove. It's more than enough heat to heat up a little sauna room, sauna space. So it's going to be like tongue and groove wood, you know, the wood that slots together on 4 sides, and then on the roof the same, just a flat tongue and groove roof that slots on. I'm going to like build it so that there's two little pieces of wood on the top and at the bottom of each side, each end of each side, so that's 4 on each wall, that the other wall, 2 walls slot into. One wall slots into the 2 one side, and the other front wall slots into the 2 top and bottom of the other wall. So there'll be a door as well, so I'll have to work out how to incorporate the door into it. I think this water is about boiled now, almost. I'll figure out how the door works. So it's just going to be a hinged door on one of the walls, maybe at the side of one of the walls, or maybe in the middle of the wall. I'll have to figure out what's the best idea, but I'll figure it out, and then I'll do I'll do the opposite. So that's going to be fun. I haven't got the money that I need yet for it, so but it's basically just wood. Most of it's just wood that I need. I need to build a bench inside, like a strong, sturdy bench to sit on for up to 2 people. I think it's going to be a two-man sauna. There's no need for it to be any bigger. I probably wouldn't have any more than 2 people around that want to go in the sauna, so at any one time. So be me and a friend, or whatever, me and a girlfriend. Who knows, stranger things happened. Yes, now I'm going to use this pot to heat my feet. Ah yes, with my slippers on, because it is quite chilly today. 5 degrees I think, rainy, so it's a little bit chilly. I'll turn the engine on and run the heater for 20 minutes or so, half an hour even, if it's particularly cold. But that's a very nice coffee, just enough maple to take the edge off, make it very pleasant. That wooden kind of mapley wood taste, you know, nice, because maple syrup is from trees. Yeah, so this sauna is going to be fun. I need to buy sauna, proper sauna kivia, sauna stones, you know, the ones that can withstand high temperatures, not explode in your face. I need those. I need to buy a little tray, probably just get a tray from Tesco or a supermarket or something, like a cooking tray. Put the stones in the tray. It doesn't matter if the water that you pour on the stones can't drain out of the tray. It'll just evaporate. The water will just evaporate with the heat, you know. So the tray goes on top of on the flat surface on top of the stove, which will be red hot. It'll be hot enough to heat the stones, you know, after 20 minutes or half an hour, maybe half an hour or so of a fire burning would heat the stones enough to start taking a sauna in such a small room. It won't need much heat, but I think it's going to work. Wait a minute, I know it's going to work. you have to know, you have to believe in your projects before you even begin them. But I saw it work. I saw it work in principle with another YouTuber. She's in Germany. I think it's Vanessa. She did one in a tent with a little tent stove. It really worked. It was really hot. I don't know what stones she used. I can't remember, but yeah. So looking forward to that. Maybe sometime in the summer when I get enough money to do it. But it's going to be portable, so those walls and the roof will be roughly all the same size. So it's 5 pieces. One will have one wall, obviously has a door, but it's just a wood door. There's no windows. I'm not going to do any windows. That's just extra, and it's got to be minimal. Everything's minimal in my life, so basically just those five pieces, and then I'll need a wood floor. I will need a wood floor, just like that you walk on, just joists of wood, just planks of wood, crisscrossed, you know, like a decking just to walk on, and for the water, any water to just drain away, sweat or whatever, just to drain onto the ground. So the chimney just goes up into a hole cut, a circular hole cut in the roof of the chimney, and then there'll be like a little, I'll cut a little movable, open and closable latch that lets air in, like an airflow somewhere, maybe underneath the bench, or somewhere where I figure out that the air is flowing towards the stove, you know, that kind of thing. Because ventilation is important in sauna, Finnish sauna. In sauna. So that's the plan. Take a few £100. I'd like to make it out of recycled wood. That would be truly eco, in the spirit of eco, intelligent kind of responsibility. I want to do stuff responsibly. Buying new wood isn't ideal, but it's probably better just for the, because it's tongue and groove. The whole idea is that the walls are easily put together, and you know, it's just stacked. When it's stored, it'll be stacked, maybe on the roof, maybe on this roof of this fan, I'm not sure yet. Doesn't matter if they get wet, really. It'd be nice to keep them dry, but not that possible here. But yeah, so I store it stacked up, you know, the 5 elements, or 6, because the floor will be, and yeah, and then there's the actual bench to sit on. There's going to be another element which needs to be stored. So yeah, probably store them indoors somewhere. I'll figure something out. Or I just store them wherever I'm using this sauna. I'm planning to do it near my swim spot, or a swim spot, but should be doable. Yeah, I can't wait. So the hot and cold is the whole principle here. I mean, it's nice just to go in a hot sauna, and then stand outside to cool down for half an hour or whatever. Even just summer temperatures, it's nice, because after 20 minutes, half an hour, you're cool, and you're cooled down and you're ready to go. You just tip a bucket of, I'll buy like a sauna bucket probably, you know, just a normal sauna bucket. Well, I'll need a sauna bucket for the function of the sauna. Yeah, and just fill that with water, like the river water, the clean water, clean and cold, and just dump it over yourself before you go back in the sauna. That's the idea. It's probably just me going to be using this. Nobody else seems to be interested. Nobody else seems to realise the health benefits. But that's their loss. I'll use it at least once a week, probably twice. In winter, probably twice. Summer, at least once. Probably twice. Yeah, so that's the plan. It's going to be pine wood, probably, you know, the B&Q, or, you know, the home base, or whatever the place is called where I get it. There's other wood suppliers around here as well I could use. So it's going to be pine wood, kind of tongue and groove. It's not too expensive, but it is a couple of £100 for all the wood anyway, maybe slightly more, and decent strong wood for the bench. And what else have I got to say about that sauna? I made a little sign last year, or was it a couple of years ago? Almost 2 years ago, I think. Sauna, no, palo tallo. It says, so that means firehouse in Finnish, roughly translated. So I'm going to fetch that and stick it on the side, stick it on the door maybe. I will carve other wood ideas, you know, other sauna things you would find in sauna, maybe little wooden pieces of art with something carved. It'll be carved, maybe painted, I don't know, whatever stands the heat of sauna. Okay, that's about 12 minutes, so thanks for watching.